Wheels TV, in collaboration with the New England Motor Press Association, is pleased to present the 2025 Wheels TV POV of the Year Award to the 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. The POV of the Year accolade, now in its 16th year, is awarded to a pre-owned vehicle that has been in service for at least 3 years and has demonstrated exceptional long-term reliability and outstanding consumer satisfaction. This is the second time that the RAV4 has been crowned Wheels TV POV of the Year, having received the honor a decade ago when the 2015 POV of the Year award was presented to the 2006 to 2012 third-generation Toyota RAV4. As one of the best-selling SUVs in the United States and around the globe, the Toyota RAV4 has long set the benchmark for the small SUV segment. The fifth generation, introduced for the 2019 model year, continued that tradition by offering buyers a smart blend of efficiency, capability, and value, along with Toyota's well-established reputation for reliability. In February 2025, the RAV4 became the top-selling car in the United States. The RAV4 lineup offers multiple powertrain options to meet a wide range of needs. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. Estimated fuel economy reaches up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. For drivers seeking maximum efficiency, the RAV4 Hybrid delivers 219 total system horsepower, standard all-wheel drive, and up to 40 miles per gallon combined. In 2021, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid took the top spot in the RAV4's electrified lineup, producing a powerful 302 combined horsepower and offering an EPA-estimated 42 miles of all-electric range, making it one of the quickest and most efficient compact SUVs on the market. Upon selecting the 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4 as this year's Wheels TV POV of the Year recipient, judges cited its unmatched reliability record, strong resale value, excellent safety scores with a full 5 stars from the NHTSA, and exceptional consumer feedback. The RAV4's spacious interior, generous standard features, and long-term durability also helped it stand out in an extremely competitive field of pre-owned vehicles. For these reasons and more, Wheels TV and the New England Motor Press Association are pleased to present the 2025 Wheels TV POV of the Year Award to the 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4.